How to fix TikTok message not working or sending. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I'll show you how you can fix the TikTok messages not working or sending. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to send a message on TikTok, there are a couple of criteria and reasons as to why you can or cannot do this. For example, let's say you went ahead and then opened up TikTok, and then you come to the inbox page over here. You try to send a message to a specific person over here, but then the message simply does not get sent. So why is that happening in the first place? One of the primary reasons that this happens is because your TikTok account is likely underage. So if your TikTok account is under 13 years of age, TikTok does not allow you to send a message to other people. So if you want to change the date of birth, it is not quite easy like you do it on Snapchat, Facebook, or Instagram. On TikTok, that is not how it works, by just going into settings, because you have to send a request to the support team. The other reason why this happens is because most likely you're not friends. So you might be wondering, what is friends on TikTok? So on TikTok, how friends work is that if you follow them and then follow you back, then you two are basically friends. But if only one person have followed and the other person has not followed back, then it means that you guys are simply not friends, and then you will not be able to message each other. That is simply how this option is actually going to work on TikTok. You may not have the send friend request button, but sending follow request and then accepting that follow and then following back again is basically how friends on TikTok actually work. So if you want to go ahead and send a message, you want to make sure that you have both followed each other, because if I come to the profile page over here and then I show you I have followed that person has followed me back, that is why I'm being able to see the message option. And as for the birthday, if you want to change it, then you want to come to your profile tab, tap on the three lines on the top right, go to the option called settings and privacy, and then here you have to go to report a problem. Once you go to report a problem over here, you can go to the option called edit icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and again you have to tap on the pencil like icon, and then after that you have to create a feedback ticket and then let TikTok know that you simply want to change the date of birth and you are ready for any further verification process. That is simply why the TikTok messaging feature is not working on your device or your account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.